He only he only like 4 months. I ain't been able to say that one to him yet. I'm almost thinking about getting a DNA swab with me and him to even see if we related. Me and the baby.
Yeah, if you don't have anything, you know.
If I could go to get me and my nephew swabbed, and he should have some of my DNA, and some of it. I swear to God, I did that with my own son. Shit. I swear to God. Hey, when it came time for that mother child support, they was in court like you got to get a DNA test. Yeah, no, we don't. I already got it. My son mother look at me like, what the fuck is he talking about? There you go, Your Honor, and say bullshit. You'll never have me taking care of kids till he's 20 to find out he ain't mine. Tell me he look like you. No, nobody look like me until I know on paper.
He's getting a haircut. They start sweeping it up. No, don't touch that.
Everybody, anybody that live with you long enough gonna start looking like you. I swear to heaven. My kid's mother got mad and said, he ain't your son. I said, what did she just say to me? The next day, I had a newborn at the damn DNA office. I was like, I am not going off like that. I done seen too many of them Jerry Springer shows. It's not gonna be me.
How do you already know a 4-month-old nephew doesn't look like your brother?
He don't look like.
Does he look like me?
He don't look like.
Shit, he got a better chance of looking like you than he does.
Yeah, it's time to test. 23 and me.
Man, I be killing me when I see like, hey, just like on Shameless. When one little black kid he thought it was his kid. I like this mother on too many drugs. We talk. I know shit happens in in the DNA line and shit skips and you get all that, but that's too much playing right there.
Oh man, it's classic.
Oh, that was crazy. You got a black son with your white guy, and you straight up believe in your son.
You're gonna get a 5-star rating for sure. If there was like a 50,000, I would give you that. My God.
I take it in cash.
Hey, you might get a tip.
Next one.
Hey, look.
Hey, we'll tell our buddy who tipped
Yeah.
Tell
Tell him come on, man.
Picking up, yeah.
Hey, I take Bitcoin too, but before it goes down, let's give it.
Yeah,
to
you don't want to now. Wait a little bit.
Yeah. I want it. It's back up again. Some.
Yeah, just like that gray Jeep right up there. It's good.
Right the chair.
Yeah, right here.
It's great. Everything's around here.
Yeah, we appreciate the ride, sir.
No problem.
Hey, we'll see you at Pops later, huh?
Yeah. Oh hell no!
Hey, we'll see you at Pops.
That's when you know you want to go to lowest denominator.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.